In this video, I will show you how to reset your Roblox password without an email address. So this could happen for a number of reasons. Maybe you no longer have access to the email, or maybe it's just a case you've forgotten the password for the email, so you can't actually get to your Roblox password to reset it. So make sure to watch this all the way through for an easy quick fix to get around this. So let's get straight into it. The first thing we're going to do is open up google.com, and what we want to do is just come across to Roblox. So you want to come across to the official website, which is roblox.com. And then from here, what we're going to do is just go and click the login button. So that's this button up here in the top right hand corner. That's going to take you across to the login screen, which is going to look like this. So if you actually look underneath the login button, you've got this little bit here which says forgot password or username, and you can actually click on that to be taken to another screen. And this is where you're going to come to actually reset your password. So as I say, if you've got your email address, then what you can do is just pop your email across down here, like so. And what this is going to do is obviously send a reset link to your email address, which you can of course click on and reset your password that way. And then what's going to happen, as I say, it's going to send an email with instructions, and basically you go into your email, click on the link from Roblox, and you'll be able to reset your password. But of course, most of you probably aren't going to have access to their email for whatever reason. So in this guide, as I say, I'm going to show you another way which you can get hold of your password. And all you want to do is, if you look a bit down the page on this screen, you've actually got this link here which says to use a phone number to reset your password. Now, a lot of the time when you sign up, you're going to enter your phone number. So you can actually use this, and what you want to do is click onto it and select your country code from the above. And what you're going to do is just pop your phone number in here. I'm not going to do that, but what you do is put your phone number in and you click submit. And what that's going to do is actually send a code to your phone. If it doesn't happen straight away, just give it sort of a couple of minutes, and if you don't receive a code, then just go and do the process again and it should send that through. Once that's done, you can just go ahead, enter the code, and again it's going to take you through the process to reset your password. So I hope this helped you out today, and if this did help you out, then be sure to subscribe to the channel for more awesome tutorials. And if you are looking for more tutorials, tips and tricks for Roblox, then be sure to click the on-screen prompt now. That's going to take you across to a current playlist of my current Roblox tutorials, tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.